What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. In today's episode, I will show you how to add Apple Pay on Shopify. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. First of all, go to your settings and go to payments. Then go to choose a payment provider. Just click that. And under that, there will be a list of all third-party payment providers, and you can choose whether you like it or not. And if you want your payment provider to have an Apple Pay, just go to this payment methods right here and click Apple Pay. Just check it. And after that, a list of third-party payment providers will show up that has a Apple Pay. So for example, this one, Stripe, it has an Apple Pay. So if you want to have that, just click it, Stripe. Then after you go that, it will redirect you to the Stripe, and you will need to create an account of Stripe, and just create an account, and of course you will need to provide your payment method, and that's how you are going to add your Apple Pay, because Stripe accepts Apple Pay as its payment method. So you can just use Apple Pay on Stripe when you create an account, and that's it. After that, just connect your Stripe account to your Shopify, and that's it. That's how you're going to use Apple Pay on Shopify. And if you want to buy something or go to your online store, if you want to buy something, you can use your third party Stripe payment method and just use your Apple Pay there. And that's it. That's how you're going to do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.